What's up, guys? This is my bike check. Get started with the frame. I got a 2011 Redline random frame. It's small, but yeah. I got stock stem with Kink Badger bars, ODI grips, and Odyssey bar ends or par ends. I got Amber BMX top bolt and Amber forks. I got a Colt match front hub with the hub guard laced to a DK rim with an Odyssey front tire. I got stock cranks with Odyssey pedals and a stolen sprocket. Animal bottom bracket with a random chain I found in my backyard. I got the Nigel Sylvester signature seat with the animal wedge post, integrated heads seat or whatever. And back wheel, I got an animal javelin back hub laced to an Odyssey hazard rim with a random tire from my garage. Yeah, that's my bike. I usually ride pegs, but I forgot to put them on for the video. I have an Odyssey in the back and a Subversa in the front. That's my bike.